Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by placing 2 villagers and a reliable bed near your intended site. You need their gossip to trigger raids. Once done, clear a 64x64 area to control spawns and remove nearby dark spaces. Place a simple containment chamber with slabs and water channels so pillagers funnel toward a kill zone. Make sure to set a roof to block phantoms and keep the villagers safe. Doing these first steps guarantees consistent raid activation and predictable mob flow. Now you'll refine the funnel. Use water streams and trapdoors to force pillagers into a single chute, because consistent positioning is how you avoid missed spawns. Next, add a controlled drop of 3 to 5 blocks into the kill chamber. This weakens or positions raiders for the final device. Install either a trident killer angled to stun and damage or a fall kill with a hopper collection below. Make sure the hopper feed goes to a secured chest and that villager sightlines remain blocked. Activate the farm by summoning a raid near your villager setup while you stay at the optimal distance. You want the game to spawn raiders but not unload the farm chunk. Once active, run 3 test waves and observe. Note if raiders get stuck, bypass the funnel, or fail to take fall damage. If things go wrong, first check for valid spawnable blocks and remove single block gaps. Then verify water currents and trapdoor timings. Adjust drop height or trident angle until clears are consistent.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.